Imagine there was a way to make waste a profitable asset, make the transition from a linear to circular economy happen. This is what we do at WeGoZero, supporting companies to transition towards more sustainable business models. In the first step, we audit all waste streams of a company to help them achieve a waste diversion over 90%. In the second step, we enable sustainability reporting that is required by law and upcoming directives like CSRD and CSDDD. In the third step, we engage whole teams to be motivated and inspired to make zero waste happen on a daily basis in a business environment. And last but not least, we help businesses to transform their waste streams into profitable asset. For instance, one of our clients produced 36 tons of wood waste yearly, mainly consisting of Euro pallets. They paid for it and the wood was incinerated. We connected them to a company that reuses pallets and even paid our client for it. It's a win-win for everyone. Wood is fully diverted and our client explores a new revenue stream through their waste. Therefore encouraged to boost the circular economy.